Did we bring a drill up?
Did we bring a drill up?
Did we?
What is this, the royal we? Or the you we?
I'm sure we did. It's in amongst the rubbish, isn't it? Thank you very much. You're so good. Well, that's a better drill.
And put in the roofing ridge caps.
Skirts they're called, I think.
Well, the skirts then. The lead's just gone on underneath.
Now we're trying to make
A fixing.
That's not bad, is it? And two and one. Not two. Could you pass me a grade? I'm hoping that the wood hasn't run away. Nope, I think we're okay. And two, and that's the next one for the last piece. Okay, fingers crossed. The lead fitted perfectly.
Well done.
At least I feel better now. It can run in between
So let's put the lead underneath.
and underneath. Yeah. That's not good, is it?
What are you doing?
Grey one, please, sir. Right, is it?
It was a minute ago. Until you moved it. It was fine until you unscrewed that one and started shifting it.
I'll try this one again then. Oh, that's better. Can't argue with that. Okay, now we can have the big sheet on. Just let me have that.
Got it?
Yeah. Hello. Have a look at it from this side.
Well, this sheet this time. This one.
Yes, please. See how strong she is.
Strong or stupid.
Just see if we can go underneath, love.
Okay.
If we can. That's a lot better, isn't it?
That's
Come up my way, yeah.
That's it.
A bit more?
No, that's right. It's on the
That's on.
level with the other.
Oh, it's got that corner. Can you clear that corner? It's not lying down right. Take a few stones out, love.
Nothing there, stopping it.
Nothing there.
Oh, wait a second.
It shouldn't be. Something's holding it at the front.
Right.
No?
Try that.
That'll do. That'll do. That's fine. And what I'll do now. Fasten up that one, small ones. Don't want to fix those yet, do we? It's certainly gone cold.
Yep. Must be about 4 o'clock.
Our friends came around earlier on, which wasted our day, and they were doing it in the freezing cold while they sat by their wood burner.
And it was a very nice time we had with them too.
Oh yeah, there is that. My good mate.
Annoying. Not what you wanted to happen.
No.
Leave it, call it, sort
Call
it
it.
tomorrow.
Is it gone?
No, it's not.
Fuck.
Leave it. Finish. Down tools, start again tomorrow.
Good morning. We're going to rectify the last sheet that I buggered up the other day. So, oh, hang on a minute. Let's start by getting the right tools. I need a saw. Oh, there's a rusty old saw. Okay, let's put the rest up there. Yeah, I messed up the other day. Put too much pressure also. Put too much pressure on the screw. It went down through and destroyed the sheet. So this is my other tool. I can check the pressure on the final screw. Hopefully, fingers crossed, without breaking it. It's a very cold day today. Even the bluebells are frozen. There won't be much talking at the top because we've got earwigs, so there you go. Bad news. What I'll do, I'll put a line across there and then cut down through. While I'm doing that, I'll let you have a bit of music. I'll show you from the other side what problem I had. God, it's cold. You've got a little skirt hanging over the roof of the other one. There's a polythene sheet underneath it, and underneath that is lead. So hopefully we don't get any leaks. What's that big snake doing in the gardens? Good old super roofing. the longer ones, super roofing ones. Let's hope they find some wood. I've got a clue what it's called, but I call it the cup. Don't do it with that, the fish drill, because I don't want to break these. And they'd laugh at me. I took them back. This will do my little tool crunch. I could cry, that's the best screw ever, the last one. Disconnect the electric, let the rain wash it away. More wood for Sally's log burner. I hope you found that interesting. Walking on the bloody moon has crippled my legs. But it's done. Hopefully no more leaks. There, completed. We all make mistakes. This one I could rectify. Goodbye.